Now live from Studio 550, it's McGraw in the Morning on the Big 550 KTRS.
All right, time to check the markets with Scott Crothers and Steve Nicholas. Good morning, Scott Crothers.
Good morning, McGraw.
All right, I believe we were up yesterday, were we not?
Yeah, great day yesterday. The Dow jumped 184 points, closed at 20,637. Easing geopolitical concerns and enthusiasm over earnings season had investors buying stocks. Financial stocks were strong, but the energy stocks lagged. This was the lowest volume day of the year, so hopefully we'll get some follow-through later this week. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.248% after briefly hitting a 5-month low.
All right, good. Let's talk a little company news, and let's first start with our friends over at Netflix. What are you hearing there?
I know, it just keeps going. Netflix added 8 million new subscribers this quarter and now have 98.75 million total subscribers. They will pass 100 million subscribers this week. Revenue grew 35% to $2.64 billion, and they made a profit of $178.2 million, or 40 cents a share.
Imagine how many subscribers they had if people didn't steal the passwords.
Who would do that?
Gosh, I know.
They'd have at least 3 or 4 more subscribers out there.
Exactly.
Netflix, unbelievable. You know, Netflix, does anybody still get the CDs through the mail anymore at Netflix, or is it all streaming? I'm sure somebody still gets CDs.
Nobody got CDs. DVDs.
You mean DVDs?
DVDs, you know what I mean. Well, you know what I meant. I was getting Betamax tapes. It was great. All right, I'll move on. Post Holdings, St. Louis company. What do we hear there?
Right. St. Louis-based Post Holdings is buying UK-based cereal maker Weetabix for $1.76 billion. They beat out Associated British Foods and Italy's Barilla in the bidding process. Weetabix is known for their biscuit-shaped cereal that has the same name as the company. With this buy, Post will own 3 of the top 10 cereals and 6.5% of the cereal market. Post can trace its roots back to 1897 with the production of grape nuts.
Wait a minute. The Post Holdings empire started with grape nuts?
That's where they traced that's where they traced their roots back to.
There you go. All right, they should buy King Vitamin.
Oh, was that your cereal back in
King
the
Vitamin
day?
was the
That
good
was
with
your
the
jam,
with
huh?
the king with the crown and the crown of spoons.
That must have been an East Coast cereal.
King Vitamin. No, it was huge.
I've never heard of it.
Never.
See?
See, that's the problem with
And
you
if
guys.
Scott hasn't heard of it, then you know.
Clearly, that's what's wrong with you guys. You guys haven't been fueled with King Vitamin. All right, one more here, Scott. While we got time, United Airlines. Any good news coming out of the airlines these days?
Actually, United Airlines, the third largest airline, reported earnings yesterday after the bell. They said increased fuel costs hurt their bottom line, but they still made good money. Their fuel prices jumped 28% from a year ago. Revenue rose 2.7% to $8.4 billion, and they made a profit of $96 million, or 31 cents a share. Customer traffic increased 2.2% from a year ago. So,
yeah,
pretty good news out of United Airlines. Much better than, I guess, their policy on getting people out of seats.
Yeah, higher fuel costs and dragging somebody against their will off the plane has hurt the bottom line at United Airlines. All right, markets today, Scott.
Today the Dow is off 40 points. We get some earnings from the banks, including Bank of America this morning. So I'll have to see how those things come out.
All right, we'll watch for that, and you'll come back and tell us all about it tomorrow. Thanks, Scott. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Scott Crothers with Steve Nicholas. Good man. Been with us now for a number of years. I've forgotten how long. His office is right behind Calico Corners, right there on Conway and Lindbergh. You want someone to take a look at your portfolio, he's more than happy to do it for you. Good man. 644, Big 550.